You know what I get? Go, go, go. come closer, you say zoom in photography. Forget them. Now you go can't take pictures. I can't come in. Okay, open. It's a simple communication.
Chale Wote 2025. The arms within the Nile leads to Congo. The arms beneath the Nile leads to Congo. I see you, man, like I say. Much respect. Shouts to you, Martin Toloku. Yes, he is the leader of the percentage. After the procession, we have Kaxoxo.
First of all, ladies and gentlemen, big shout out to Chale. Yes, no more than Chale. Osama Kobe. And Numa Jobo. Welcome to the battle, ladies and gentlemen. Gamashi Wayo. And Gamashi Wayo. And Noko Fefel. Yenchen Nanoni Yano. And this is the 2025 Chale Wote. First of all, great procession. Yes, with great arts, great paintings, and I really love the atmosphere, ladies and gentlemen. Remember to always hashtag Chale Wote 2025, yeah? Big shout also to Martin Toloku. Big up yourself some way. Also to you, Mache, Ayikwe. Of course, Kadu. All in the procession. Also Nika Kai. Yes, and one and only Anansi. Yes, great procession, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, Chale Wote 2025. They shout to all our brothers and sisters from the diaspora. We love you. Watch our DJ lasers in the building. Also big shout to Sheldon and Turner. Watch out the Brownie track, Red Cup, and all platforms. Remember to download. Yes, I see you, Sheldon the Turner. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, one more time to Chale Wote Street Festival. A lot of crazy paintings going on in your faces. Great procession, ladies and gentlemen, with great artists from the motherland and from the diaspora as well. This is beautiful. This is awesome. This is spectacular. This is splendid. Crazy creatives in your faces, ladies and gentlemen. So remember, this year's Chale Wote Festival, the theme is the ups beneath the now little Congo. Yes, the ups beneath the now little Congo. That is the theme for this year's Chale Wote 2025. Yes, it's to the God MC, Versace, multiple award-winning MC, representing Spike TV. And of course, my brother, MC NOG, was a great MC with great DJs. I was definitely going to be entertaining y'all tonight. Don't forget to always hashtag Chale Wote 2025.